The 2011 Tundra. Tundra has a number of unique features useful for those using it as a work truck, including extra large door handles, a deck rail system, and an integrated tow hitch. Included as standard are vehicle stability control, traction control, electronic brake force distribution, anti-lock brakes, and tailgate assist. With a towing capacity of up to 10,000 plus pounds and a payload capacity of over 2,000 pounds, the Tundra is the perfect mix of power and efficiency. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual front airbags, power steering, keyless entry, automatic stability control, cruise control, center armrest, AM/FM stereo radio, MP3 capability, power windows, dual zone climate control, power driver mirror, tilt steering wheel, cup holders, low tire pressure warning, 4-piece floor mat set. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.